In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily archive Instagram story without waiting for 24 hours. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first off, let me open up Instagram app. Now I'm gonna switch to my another profile, and let's say we want to create a story. So just let me pick some random picture, let it be that one, and then I can share that story. Then I can tap right here and it shows you the story that I have just shared, and by default stories are automatically archived after 24 hours. However, if you want to archive a story right now, all we have to do is just to go to that story, then tap at more. It gives us some different options. However, unfortunately there are no option to archive it immediately, but we can get into story settings and then we can tap at close friends, and now we must choose just one particular person. I recommend you to checkmark some celebrities account which definitely don't care about your stories, and then just hit add done. So guys, in this particular way you will hide your story from all of your followers and it will be automatically archived within 24 hours. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.